Show notifications? Yes, please. I would like to be notified when there are great deals on Alibaba. Hi, this is Michael Mansell, and I am on alibaba.com because this is the best place online, in my humble opinion, to get the best deal on bulk products. If you're looking to source products for your business to sell online or offline, you need to check out alibaba.com. And in fact, stay tuned because I'm actually going to show you and demonstrate one of the high quality products that I was able to get off of alibaba.com and that is selling like crazy. So this is alibaba.com. You can go here. Anybody can register, but you really want to be a serious business owner who's looking to purchase products in bulk to then resell them all across the internet, at your local vendors, at your local brick and mortar store. Doesn't matter. They have the goods. And I was really quite surprised when I first came on here and started looking at all the products that I could source that were just as good as some of the other name brands that I would walk into and find at my local store or online. It's very easy to register. You just come over here and you can join for free and you can go through the full registration process. Now, you can change this here to English if you're in the United States, and it will filter it all out. And it is a very, very simple registration process. Tons and tons of categories. Chances are, if there's a product you're wanting to sell, they have it or they can get it. And their prices are super competitive when you're trying to resell these products. So let's just search for one product here. This is a product that I actually already have tested, and they are some really cool noise canceling earbuds. And here they are right here. They actually include wireless charging of the case and noise canceling. So as you can see right here, great demonstration videos. They've got amazing photos that you can use, and they're very competitively priced. And notice the quantity discount here. So if you're ordering more than 500, you're getting the best deal on these. So definitely consider buying these in bulk because you're going to make much better profit margins. And these are high quality. I'm going to demonstrate those here for you in just a second. But I got to get it. I had to just give a shout out to alibaba.com. I source various things online. I have stores online where I do resell at. And so I just wanted to share it with you guys. I know a little off topic of what's normally on my channel, but just wanted to give a shout out to alibaba.com and everything that they offer here. So let's get into that demonstration of these very earbuds right here. One of the very cool things that I was able to pick up through alibaba.com were these clear noise canceling earbuds. I'm pretty excited to try these out because alibaba.com, you can get some really high quality stuff, and it's pretty impressive, the stuff that you can find on there as a business owner who's looking to sell multiple products online. I was very curious about these, so I just thought I'd give you guys a little taste of what is possible to find on alibaba.com. So let's open these up and give them a test out. So these are the clear premium active noise canceling earbuds. They do have some pretty premium features, including a wireless charging case. I'm curious to see how that works. And we'll just open that up there and pop this open. And inside, ooh, look at there, nice, very nice packaging. So that's something that's, would be important to you as a business owner, that if you're gonna be sourcing products from alibaba.com, you're gonna wanna make sure that the packaging itself is premium, because that's how your customers are really gonna view you. So very nice packaging and this nice foam pad there. And look at those, that is really a very nice looking case there. So look at that, that's a nice little case right there. Pop that open and look at there. Those are super high quality looking. USB-C charging port here in the back. Really nice taupe color. These the case feels very premium, and there looks like there's a little pull tab inside of here. So, oh yeah, look at there. Even some protective plastic on the inside. I always like to see that when companies take the time to protect their products in shipping. These pop out just like that. So there is the actual earbud itself. As you can see, it has the subtle clear branding on there. There's a little bit of a light flashing there already. So we're gonna need to get these paired up with my iPhone. See inside little charging ports there, and these fit in really quite easily and snugly. Snugly, is that a word? I don't know if snugly is a word. Oh well, it's my word now. And it looks like there's a clear film here too. So satisfying. Looks like there's a pull tab right here. Yep, that pulls out the foam. Then we've got some instructions down in here. And finally, we've also got some additional cabling. It's like ear tips charging cable. So they do provide you with additional ear tips so that you can really match that up to your ear, whatever ear size you have. Everybody has different ear sizes. I don't know if mine are big or small. They're generally medium. I find that the medium ear tips fit well for me, but it looks like they include 4 different sizes, which is pretty impressive. You've got well, actually 5, because so the mediums come pre-installed on these, and you also get a small, extra large, and large. There's actually a couple different sets here. I'm gonna have to check that out to see what is what there. Let's see what's in there. Wow, lots of little tips. Look at all these things. That is a lot of extra tips. So we've got some smalls, extra smalls, large, and then let's see what's in this bag here. Inside here it says it is a small, first I tore that so I can't read that anymore, large and medium. Oh, okay, so they actually give you some different shapes. If your ear has a different shape along with a different size, they give you a couple different shapes here for the tips. So the round tips are pre-installed. It does look like there's a little tab here we need to pull off. This is to prevent it from overcharging during shipping. So just make sure that, here we'll pull it off the other one too. So this little red tab here just comes off like that. And now it will have the ability to charge in this case as soon as the case is charged up. Finally, we have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable that is included in the box as well. And it does look like, so I do like the idea that there's a clear case over this. A lot of these, you can't see the earbuds inside, so that just gives a nice extra luxury feel there. But it does look like there is some charge to these. So let's go ahead and try to connect these up to my phone so we can give them a test and see how they sound. All right, I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings here. Bluetooth is on. Just gonna open these up. There are no buttons on the outside of it. Maybe we need to actually take them out of the case first to pair them. I should read the instruction manuals, but it's no fun when you can't actually figure things out. There we go. So I pulled them out of the case and now they're recognized right there. So we're gonna click on that, clear Ollie plus 2. And just like that, they are connected. So let me stick them in here. This is my right one. Here we go. And my left one. All right, so that's how they kind of look in the ear. I'll get you guys a close up here in just a second, but I'm gonna put some music into my ears here, see how it sounds. Very clean, clear audio. Curious to how we do the active noise canceling. I'm digging the jam. Wish you guys could hear it. Oh, maybe I'll play it for you. It's very, I can feel the music along with hearing them. These are pretty solid there. All right, so, okay, we're gonna press twice for next track or press 3 times for previous track. They're very comfortable in the ear, that's for sure. And I like how they just kind of fit right in there to the ear. So, liking that. Okay, double tap, hold, and second tap. Oh, so you double tap and hold, and then as long as you hold, it continues to put the volume up. Got it, okay. We're figuring this out. We'll get this eventually. Take calls, microphone. It has some decent bass response in there too. The quality is definitely there. The active noise canceling is something that I was really curious about as well, and I can't hear anything going on in my studio here. Not that there's a lot of loud stuff going on, but I don't hear any just atmosphere noise around me. So in that respect, I would say it's a pretty solid active noise cancellation. All right, you can adjust the active noise canceling, so I want to see the adjustment of that. Ambient noise control, page 6. Good to read the instructions. Ambient noise control, press twice. Cycle through the noise cancellation mode. You can select which earbud to use this function on the Clear Plus app. Oh, there's an app. Of course there's an app for that. So let's go ahead and just quickly go and download the Clear Plus app. There we go. So we're getting that installed, and that is done. Wow, that was fast. All right, there it is. Let's open that up and take a look. Ali Plus 2. Yes, it's pairing, connecting, paired. Very nice. That was super easy. That's cool. It tells you how many hours of listening you have left in it. It says ambient on inside of my headphones too, by the way. I know you guys couldn't hear that, but just wanted you guys to know. Off. So that's just normal. On ambient noise control, it actually lets some of the sound, like the microphones inside of the earbuds, let some of the sound in so that you can hear some of the surrounding. And then noise cancellation should cut out everything. Oh, that's even better than it was before. Yeah, I can't even hear the fan that's running back there. The AC had just kicked on. Now you guys can't hear because I do pretty well here with the microphones, but we do have a personalized sound as well. Let's check this out here. So we're gonna test your ears. What is this about? Okay, we're in a quiet place. Shh. You guys don't, that you're watching, be quiet. Be quiet right now. I can't have you guys speaking, okay? So shh, be quiet. When was I born? Wow, it's gonna determine how bad my ears are based on my age. There we go. Set up your device. We encourage you to do not disturb, to not receive any notification or call during the hearing test. Okay, so let's come in here and turn on do not disturb. Next, play noise. Use the slider below or the volume. Whoa, that is a high-pitched noise. On your device to adjust the volume. Yes. Select a comfortable volume that is loud yet comfortable. Okay, probably right there. It's a very weird noise. Okay, it gives you samples of that. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a practice round. They're gonna make me practice. This is quite the noise test. All right, that was interesting. So I hear faint beeping noise, and when I can't hear, it like fades out. When I can't hear anymore, that's when I'm supposed to let go of the button. All right, very interesting noise test indeed. It's quite involved and it's taken a while, so I'll skip that and come back to it later. We're gonna exit that right now. Skip the test for now. It's gonna ask me this again. Sound personalization. So they've personalized the sound to my hearing. You can save your hearing ID. Okay. All right, all that is done. When you pull them out of your ears, it actually automatically pauses the music, which is really nice that it does that. So I like that. Yeah, they're impressive. And it's just one of the many high quality products that you can get on alibaba.com. So if you're a business owner looking to source products to sell in your online store, offline store, it doesn't matter. If you're a business and looking to source high quality products like these Clear Ali Plus 2 noise canceling headphones, you definitely need to check out alibaba.com. Take a look at all the products that you can source from there. This is just one of many examples. I'll leave a link in the description below. And in fact, if you guys want to get these very earbuds, I'll put a code down there in the description. Use code MANSELL and you will get a discount off of purchasing these very earbuds. So hope you appreciated this sample of what you can source and find on alibaba.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I got lots of other content coming down the pipeline here. So see you guys on the next video.